How to set up Target REDcard Autopay. If you would like to set up Autopay for your Target REDcard, the Target Circle card, you will need to follow up the steps. So visit the Target website, which is target.com, or you can directly head over the Target application as well and be logged in into your account. After you're logged in, you may just go ahead and find the accounts or payment section. For that, if you're on website, look out for your account option in the top of your screen, tap on it. And when you tap on it, you will be finding this option. Look out for manage account option, tap on it and head over the manage account page of your Target. Now from here, look out for payment option. For that, you need to scroll down, and when you scroll down, you should be finding option called payments or wallet option within your app. Tap on it and you will be finding an option where you can add or select a payment method. If you have not already, you can choose the amount that you want to pay automatically. You can just go ahead and add your bank or debit card for that. For that, look out for this option called add payment card. Tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and provide in the details like what payment card are you applying for your Target Red card. After that, you can just go ahead and do so and tap on save once you've entered the details. And you can just go ahead and select the option called pay automatically. If there is option for auto pay settings, you can just go ahead and turn it on and select minimum payment, full balance, or custom amount. After that is done, you can just go ahead and review your auto pay settings and confirm your choices, and the system will then automatically deduct the specified amount from your chosen payment method on the due date. And that way you can just go ahead and set up Target REDcard Autopay. And the thing you need to ensure is that the Target Circle card should be linked with your Target account. If it is not linked yet, you can just go ahead and link it with your Target account, and you can typically manage your autopay settings at any time through your account online or in the application. So therefore, you may follow this method if you would like to set up Target REDcard Autopay. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.